Welcome. So, in this brief explainer, we're going to take a really efficient, high-level flyover of the curriculum ecosystem right here at Broward College. We'll be focusing specifically on Module 6, the curriculum approval process. If you've been wondering exactly how a great idea becomes a real, live class on our roster, well, you are in exactly the right place.
Okay, let's dive right into this. Are you ready to launch your new course? I know. Hearing the words approval process can kind of conjure up images of this endless, bureaucratic black hole, right? But we really need to reframe that. This process is actually designed to be a highly collaborative journey. It ensures our educational programs remain absolutely top tier, while specifically saving you a ton of time and frustration down the road.
And you know that journey really begins with you. Just take a look at this quote straight from our Curriculum Procedure Manual. Faculty are acknowledged to be the subject matter experts in their field. Literally, the entire curriculum process doesn't start with administrators. It originates from your localized expertise. It relies heavily on a strong tradition of shared governance, ensuring that the people who actually know the subject best are the ones driving the academic vision forward.
Now, to empower you in that role, Module 6 targets 3 core objectives. We're going to outline the approval workflow and timelines, help you identify and avoid common proposal delays, and analyze your proposal's readiness and alignment. Mastering these 3 areas is your ultimate solution to achieving a really smooth, friction-free curriculum approval. So how does this whole thing actually work? Let's quickly trace the literal step-by-step path for your proposal. Here is your brisk 10,000-foot view. Step 1, it starts with faculty origination. Step 2, we move into discipline and dean reviews. Step 3, the curriculum committee reads. And finally, Step 4, provost and board approval. This intentional structure is absolutely crucial because it ensures high quality and alignment for our students, our faculty, and of course, our industry partners.
Now, what's really interesting about this next point is the stark contrast between a delayed proposal and a ready one. The trap of isolated creation, working in a silo with missing data, inevitably leads to frustrating roadblocks. It just does. Conversely, a ready proposal, one born out of collaborative discipline review and perfectly aligned with our institutional framework, well, that's on the fast track to success for sure. And a massive part of that success actually comes down to the guiding principle of the curriculum committee's 2 reads. Every single proposal is presented twice, a first read and a second read. This brilliantly illustrates our commitment to shared governance because it creates this built-in pause, and that pause guarantees time for your peers to jump in, provide commentary, ask questions, and offer vital feedback before any final vote happens.
So, the crucial point here is that after all the hard work, all those peer reviews, and the committee votes, your proposal reaches its ultimate destination, the Board of Trustees. Their final stamp of approval ensures that all new or updated programs perfectly match the overarching mission of Broward College. It's like fitting the final piece into a giant puzzle.
Which really leaves us with one final, exciting question. What legacy will your next course leave on our curriculum? Seriously, think about it. Now that you have this 10,000-foot view of how the ecosystem works, it's time to turn your expertise into reality. So transition from this explainer, jump directly into your Module 6 coursework, and let's get started.